Next one is wool fiber. In wool fiber, the microscopic test, it shows in longitudinal view, it looks like a cylinder multicellular structure. Cylinder multicellular structure. And then cross sectional view. Cross sectional view, it is a oval to circular shape. In longitudinal, it shows cylinder or multicellular structure, and cross sectional, it gives over circular shape. And then the chemical test, in chemical test, constant HCl swells the wool fibers, and 70% of ammonium thiocyanate solution. Ammonium thiocyanate solution dissolves other fibers but does not wool fiber. It is insoluble. What is the composition? What is the composition of wool fiber? The wool fiber chemical composition is keratin 33% dirt, some lot, because already wool fiber, you know, it's containing too much of dirt things. It's containing 26% soot, 28 fat, because it is a protein fiber, definitely it's containing fat solutions, so it's containing 12%, some minerals 1%. So the chemical composition of wool fiber is keratin 33%, some dirt 26, soot 28, fat 12, and mineral 1%. Normally, its good absorbance property compared to silk fiber, it is full of composed of amino acids and protein. It's full of composed of amino acids. It's have good absorbance property, and one more important, it is warmer than others, and already you know poor resistance against alkali and good elasticity. It is some important property about the wool fiber. So next, what is the uses? Lot of uses and applications are there in wool fiber. It is used for preparation or manufacturing of blankets and baby items, even diapers, and home applicants, and textile industry applications, and sound bars insulation. Like that, lot of applications is there in even the animal proteins, because already you know the wool fiber is full of animal fiber, it is full of amino acids and proteins, so it is act as fertilizer. So it is the main applications of the wool fiber. The next fiber is rayon. Rayon, already know, it is a synthetic fiber, but it is a derivative of cellulose fiber. So just a cellulose fiber is dissolved in some solution and converted into some acetate form. It is known as a viscous rayon, or it is converted to cellulose xanthanide. It is a derivative of cellulose. It is known as viscous rayon. So what is the chemical test? What is the chemical test, and what is the composition of rayon? What is the composition means? The cellulose contained on the rayon is 40 to 50%, and then lignin is 20 to 30%, and then hemicellulose 10 to 30%, and polysaccharide containing some amount. So the rayon containing cellulose 42%, lignin 20 to 30%, and hemicellulose 10 to 30%, and polysaccharide small amount. So the cotton fibers containing nearly 90% of cellulose, the hemp and jute fibers containing 70% of cellulose is a derivative of cellulose. The rayon is containing 40 to 50% of cellulose. And then in chemical test, the sulfuric acid with iodine give dark blue dark blue color. It indicates the rayon. Suppose you have rayon fiber means just take the rayon fiber and immerse into the sulfuric acid plus iodine solution. It give dark blue color means definitely it is a rayon fiber, and it is also not soluble in 70% of ammonium thiocyanate. It is the first man-made fiber. Viscous rayon is the first man-made fiber, and also one more important property of viscous rayon is at the time of wet condition it loses 50% of strength. Suppose the viscous rayon is wetting means it totally loses the strength nearly 50%. It is uses. What is the uses means? It is used in preparation of cloths, blankets, making carpet items, bandages, surgical dressings, like that. It is used a lot of applications on rayon things. Next, polyester. Polyester is a synthetic fiber. It is derived from petroleum or coal like substance. It is not soluble in acetone and 70% of ammonium thiocyanate solution. The acetone dissolves all the fibers, but the polyester does not dissolve in acetone. It is hydrophobic in nature. It is hydrophobic in nature. And also it is a rod-like structure. In microscopic test, it gives a rod-like structure, rod-like smooth surface, and it only give dyeing with dispersed dyes. It is only dyed by dispersed dyes. It is a thermoplastic. It acts as thermo. It is having characteristics of thermoplastic. It is commonly referred as polyethylene phthalate, terephthalate, commonly it is referred as, the polyester is referred as polyethylene terephthalate. And it have lot of application. Polyester having lot of application in textile industry and manufacturing of blankets, manufacturing of other items, pillows, furnitures, carpets, and it's a strong fiber, so it is used for making of a lot of items, floppy disk preparation, plastic items, plastic bottles preparation, like that. It is used in lot of textile industry and other industrial applications and home furnishing, home appliance, like that. It is used in anywhere. Okay, the last fiber is nylon. The nylon fiber is a purely synthetic fibers. It's totally is called as polyamide. It's synthesized from polyamide. Nylon is polyamide. Lot of nylon, different type of nylon is available, like nylon 66, nylon 6, nylon 10, nylon 12, nylon 8, like that. Lot of different variety of nylon is there. It is how to differentiate by using the chemical test means it is easily soluble in hot metacresol and formic acid, but it is not soluble in 70% of ammonium thiocyanate. All the synthetic fiber and synthetic derivative fibers are not soluble in 70% of ammonium thiocyanate, but it burn very slowly. Already you know in the burning test, by easily distinguish the burning test, it is burned very slowly. It is self-extinguished and leave lot of bits and easily trip into your skin. So it is easily distinguished by even a microscopic test and burning test. In textile industry and plastic industry, machine product preparation, and this nylon also used to increase the strength of wool. Suppose the nylon is mixed with wool means it increases the strength of the wool. So up to now we are discussed different characteristics of different fibers like cotton fiber, hemp fiber, silk, wool, polyester and nylon fibers. Nearly 6 to 7 fibers. By using the chemical test, microscopic test and composition and other tests, we easily distinguish the fibers. Just in last 1 hour we fully discussed about different characteristics like microscopic result, chemical composition, chemical test result and physical characteristic and application of fiber. In the last 2 or 3 even 4 classes we fully discuss about the different type of fibers, different application of fibers and how to distinguish the fiber. Suppose you saw last 4 lecture means you easily distinguish all type of fibers and distinguish the different characteristics of fiber in future. Okay students, thank you. Just saw this video and get it knowledge about the fibers. Thank you.